Welcome to our tutorial on the OANDA trading platform. In this video, we'll explore its key features, showing you how to place trades, analyze charts, and manage risk effectively. Let's start by creating an account and logging into the OANDA platform. Visit the OANDA website, fill out the registration form, and follow the instructions to set up your account. Once you're logged in, let's explore the user interface. Here you'll find navigation tools and features that will make trading intuitive and efficient. Now, let's place a trade. Follow these simple steps. Select your asset, choose the amount, and specify your order type. Understanding order types is crucial. There are market orders for immediate execution, limit orders to set prices, and stop orders to limit losses. Next, we'll delve into chart analysis. Learning to read price movements and indicators can significantly enhance your trading decisions. OANDA offers a range of technical analysis tools. Utilize these to spot trends and make informed predictions about market movements. Implementing risk management strategies is vital. Set your stop loss and take profit levels to protect your investments and maximize gains. Once trades are placed, monitoring their performance is essential. Regular evaluations can inform your future trading decisions. In conclusion, successful trading on OANDA involves understanding the platform, utilizing tools, and managing risk effectively. Happy trading!